Namaste, people. Welcome to the heart of Kathmandu, Basantapur Durbar, also known as Hanuman Doka Durbar Square. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a stunning showcase of Nepal's rich history, art, and architecture. Once the royal palace of the Malla and Saha kings, Basantapur Durbar is home to ancient temples, courtyards, and monuments that date back to the 12th century.
This one's not about lyrics.
Came from Basantapur Tower, a 9-story building built by King Prithvinarayan Saha after unifying Nepal. At the entrance stands the Hanuman statue guarding the palace since the 17th century. Inside you'll find intricate wood carvings, pagoda-style temples, and the living goddess Kumari's residence. The Kumari Ghar, where the goddess still makes public appearance during festivals. Basantapur isn't just a place, it's an experience. A walk here takes you back in time, amid the whispers of history and the spirit of ancient Kathmandu. Don't forget to explore this magical place during Indra Jatra or Dasai, when the square comes alive with vibrant culture, music and dance. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.